Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this design in Canva. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank poster design in Canva, and then what we're going to do is go to draw option, and we're going to choose a marker, increase this length to about width to about 100, and we're going to scribble some shape like this. Make sure that you attempt it a few more times. So let's look at it like this. Let's change its color, duplicate it using Ctrl plus D key. So here we are. So let's select all of them and group them, and then what we're going to do is change its color. And we're gonna insert an image, and what we're gonna do is change its color to white. We're gonna search for gradient in the elements, and let's put it right here. And we're gonna put it just below into the poster and change its color using edit and filter. So here we are. And we're gonna choose this purple color. Now what we're going to do is just give it some transparency so that we do not cover the entire part with this image. Also what we're going to do is decrease its transparency like this, and then we're going to go for text and let's insert a heading. Here we are. Let's search for Fatimi font. This is a font that is very long, so I'm just going to use it, which looks better. Let me just send it to the back 2 times. Then what we're going to do is just change its color, the text color. Make sure that it is visible onto our template. So as you can see, it isn't visible because of the behind shape. So what I'm gonna do is select the behind shape first, and I'm just gonna change its color to a suitable color. You can change the background color as well if you want the text to be visible, but still it doesn't look good. So what I'm going to do is first change the shape's color, and then what we're going to do is go to transparency and decrease this transparency to less than 50. Then this is how our text looks. So we're just going to choose a new color for our text, which is going to be blue. So this way we can make sure that our text is visible. And also make sure that you put your other text like the subtitle. So let me just put it right here. Then we're gonna go for content text. Let me just paste it from clipboard. Here we are. Then we're just gonna give it the left alignment and use a nice font for it. Decrease its size a bit as well. Change its color. So yeah, here we go. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find this poster link in the description below, and it's completely free, so don't forget to give your reviews in comments.